Right, let's make a really good ad for your vehicle. G'day everyone and welcome back to Meatball Garage. In my last video, I revealed that I sold my VE Calais. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared my car for sale and how I created a car sales ad that cut through the noise and attracted serious buyers. If you follow these tips, your ad should also come out looking pretty good and stand out amongst the crowd. But when selling your car, I can't guarantee that you won't run into any of these muppets.
Full service history?
Yep.
Accidents?
No.
Got all its doors?
Yep.
Wheels?
Yep.
Have you ever driven through a puddle?
Yeah.
Do you place your KFC in the boot or in the passenger compartment?
Boot.
If your car was a fruit, what fruit would it be? Which Seinfeld character would your car be? Answer these questions and find out.
Huh?
Have you ever considered changing all the lights in your house to LED?
Nah.
How much do you want again?
35,000.
Will you take 27 bucks?
Right, the first area of focus is the presentation of your vehicle. You want your car to look fantastic both in the flesh and online. The better your car looks, the more attractive it'll be to prospective buyers. So let's start by washing your car. Take your time, hurry up, choice is yours, and don't be late. Give it a thorough clean. Do those lower panels and sills to remove any gunk. Spend some time cleaning all the grit, grime, and brake dust from your wheels. And make sure when you're done, you give it a thorough rinse. Now, if you're lazy, this is the perfect time to take some shitty photos of your freshly washed but undried car in your driveway. Please don't do this. I hate these photos in car sales ads. Before I dry my car, I like to use a leaf blower to force air out of any nooks and crannies. Then I finish the job with a nice big fluffy drying towel. If you have a spray detailer, use it to finish off the exterior. It just makes the car a little bit more shiny. Now we need to empty the car. Get everything out of it. All the crap out of your console. Go around and check each door pocket and any other storage bins or places that are in your vehicle. Clear all that shit out of the glove box too, mate. Yes, much better. And clear that boot too. Look at it. Look at all that shit. Get it out. Get it out! Now we can vacuum. Remove all the mats and do them outside the car. This is way easier and you can inspect them better to see if they need a scrub to remove any stains. Do the same for the boot mat. If you can, remove it and vacuum it outside the car. Then do your seats, carpets, and any other areas in your car which gunk may accumulate. Once you've done your vacuuming, it's time to spruce up your trim. We want to get any dust or marks off any parts of your dash, door trims, console or steering wheel. Giving them a wipe with a damp cloth or chamois should do the trick. If your car has any serious stains or marks, please try and use a product specific to the material that you're trying to clean. Preferably one that doesn't leave any of that oily residue. Right, let's finish off the outside now. For the Calais, this means adding a little bit of tyre shine just to make my wheels pop a little bit. I also love seeing these shiny exhaust tips on this car too. Clean polished tips can really transform the rear end of your car and just make it so much more classy. Now your squeaky clean car is ready for photos. If your driveway is a bit cramped, go find yourself a car park, a quiet court, or even an industrial area. Somewhere that will allow you to take nice wide shots of your car and also maneuver the car so the light hits it just right. Make sure you take pics of all sides of the car, front and rear, some great shots of your interior, dash, and engine bay if you like as well. If there's any special aspects or features of your car, now's the chance to take those photos too. And please try and take some of the widest shots of your car in landscape. Right, it's time to create your ad. I created my ad in car sales. Yes, you do have to pay for using car sales compared to Facebook or Gumtree, but from a buyer's perspective, I find it much easier to use and search for exactly what I'm looking for. First up, upload all your photos and choose a striking photo of your vehicle to use as its cover shot. Now you need to write the description. It can be difficult coming up with a description for those who aren't natural wordsmiths. So let's help get you started by putting yourself in the buyer's shoes. What do they really want to know about buying your used car? If it were me, there are 3 key areas I'd want to know about which you can write about in your ad. 1. Has the car been well looked after? So talk about things like, does your car have a full service history? Do you have all of its books and included accessories? Did you wash it regularly? Was your car a child or pet-free one? If so, include that. 2, is there going to be any surprises or hidden costs if I buy this car? So include any high-priced maintenance items that you've taken care of and list out any consumables such as tyres, brakes, suspension, battery, that you might have had replaced recently. Also, be upfront if you've got any maintenance due or if the car has any niggles. As a buyer, at least it means I can factor this into my buying decision or budget. And trust me, people will appreciate your honesty. And 3, will this car be fit for purpose? So here you can highlight some of the practical features that made your life easier? Was it a great country car? Good for towing or long trips? Was it a good city car? Economical, easy to park? Hopefully those 3 guiding principles can give you something to go on when writing the bulk of your description. Now we can round out your ad by setting some expectations around the sale itself. So be really clear around your price flexibility, how you prefer to be contacted, the inspection times available, if you're entertaining offers on your car, or if you're only after cash-ready, serious buyers. Setting these expectations in your ad will hopefully attract the right buyer for your car and minimize any time wasted for both you and the potential buyer. And please don't write no dickheads, because dickheads don't know that they're dickheads. So with those tips, you should have a really good looking car and a great vehicle advertisement ready for the world and all the potential buyers to see. Comment below if you've got any other tips for creating a really good looking car ad. Join me in the next video and I'll take you through what I bought to replace the Calais. It's right there and it is excellent. In the meantime, thanks for watching and we'll see you then. Ciao.